The Amazfit Bip 6 has just been leaked online, and this could mean its launch is closer than we think. A Reddit user has shared a video of the smartwatch's packaging, giving us an early look at this unreleased wearable. This comes after the February launch event for the Amazfit Active 2, where the Bip 6 was officially teased. In the leaked video, we see a square box featuring the smartwatch, with a sleek black version, a dark metallic casing, and a silicone strap. But that's not all. Other colors like charcoal, stone, and red will also be available. At the event, several key specifications were confirmed. The Amazfit Bip 6 will feature a 1.97-inch AMOLED display with sharp 380 by 450 resolution and a stunning 2000 nit brightness, ensuring great visibility even under sunlight. When it comes to health and fitness tracking, the smartwatch is packed with features. You'll get heart rate monitoring, SpO2 tracking, HRV analysis, and AI-generated training plans. Plus, it supports Hyrox race mode and a wide range of workouts. Navigation lovers will also appreciate the built-in GPS and offline navigation support. And yes, it comes with the Zepp Flow voice assistant for hands-free control. One of the most impressive aspects? Battery life. Amazfit claims the Bip 6 can last up to 2 weeks with typical usage, making it a solid option for long-term use. But the biggest question remains, when will it launch? While there's no official release date yet, rumors suggest it could arrive as early as March 2025. And with this new leaked video, it's safe to say the release could be right around the corner. Pricing is still a mystery, but if we use the Amazfit Bip 5 as a reference, which launched at $89.99, pounds 69.99 / euro 89.99, but now sells for as low as $59.97 on Amazon, we can expect the Bip 6 to be in a similar range. So, what do you think? Are you excited about the Amazfit Bip 6? Will it be a budget-friendly smartwatch with premium features? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to stay up to date with the latest tech leaks and reviews, don't forget to subscribe to TechVerse.